Just a quick little video on a fix for the scraping fan on the screen in the Caravan. So I'll just turn it on and show you. So just the fan blade scrapes on this because it's a bit old and bowed. So all you do is just take this off. One. Just be careful with this plastic because it's probably a little bit brittle from this heat. Get that off there. And now it's just screws up in there. And don't forget this handle here. Okay. So what you want to do is just grab just a little conduit, PVC. This is a little hole drilled through it. It's 39 millimeters long. Just put the cable tie through there, the hole. Make sure it clears the fan. Trim that off. Okay. What you do now is just put this little spacer in, same PVC conduit, 10 mil long. Just put it in between where the little handle goes. Just tuck your wires back in. It's a little bit fiddly, but not too bad. Just grab your spindle. Make sure you don't drop a screw like that. Do that up tight. Okay. Screw the frame back in. That's it. Okay. Okay. I'll just give it a tester. There you go. There's the pipes, spacer.
Caravan.